Hello everyone, I'm Tony Chan. This is the third grammar trick. We will talk about the 8 basic structures of a clause. The first one is using the intransitive verb. The subject and the predicator is an intransitive verb. For example, we have stated, I know, I come, I go. And the second type is intransitive coupled verb. And the PC, predictive complement, is a subjective one. Predicator plus PC is the predicate. For example, we are happy, we are teachers, we felt like happy, we felt happy. Like is a very special preposition because it can be followed by an adjective. So the third type, monotransitive verb, and the PC is simply a direct object. This is a noun phrase, the object, the direct object, and determiner. And this is a noun, which is the head of the noun phrase. And then transitive coupled verb, and then the PC contains two parts, third object and then objective PC. Objective PC is like the subjective PC, which can be of 3 types: noun phrase, adjective phrase, or prepositional phrase. And then ditransitive structure, ditransitive verb, and then the PC contains indirect object and direct object. Again, this is a noun phrase acting as the direct object. And this is a determiner. This is a noun which is the head of the noun phrase. Then catenative structure. In a catenative structure, it contains multiple pairs of catenative verbs. For example, the first pair, catenative verb and catenative complement verb. And then the second pair, catenative verb and catenative complement verb. So the first pair, catenative verb and catenative complement verb. And then the second pair, catenative verb, catenative complement verb. And this is the last verb, so it's a type 1 verb or intransitive verb. And then this is adjunct, a prepositional phrase acting as an adjunct modifying the verb, the type 1 or intransitive verb. And then subordinate clause, predicative. So this is a predicative subordinate clause. It can be finite or non-finite. For a finite assertive clause, if the verb is very short, less than 8 characters, and then the subordinator that is optional. For example, if it's a question like, I know how you are, then no subordinate. Or if it's a non-finite clause, for example, a to infinitive, I know how to do it. I know what to do, of course, no subordinator. And then the 8th type, a sentence starting with a locative or directional prepositional phrase. For example, locative, here, there, or directional prepositional phrase like into the bin. That's the first word. And then the second word, if it's a pronoun, then pronoun goes first before the verb. If it's not a pronoun, then the verb goes first before the subject. And the verb can only be intransitive coupled verb or intransitive verb. And some grammarian would say that this sentence belongs to existential structure. Well, not necessary. Just this 8th type would suffice. And of course, for the existential structure, the subject cannot be a pronoun. Of course, for this one, the subject cannot be a pronoun. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next trick. Bye-bye.